back under the newsletter builder, and you can use this for more than just newsletters. That's the basic thought was, we want to use this for building newsletters or whatever. So one of the things that we've done is on the articles, whenever you choose an article, it will allow you to, create HTML content, which is great. But with those articles, you can also use a Manus research. I think this was actually suggested by Jose's friend,
Sergio.
Yeah, Sergio said, hey, one of the things that I do is every week I send out a newsletter about what's happening in my area this weekend. And I would like to be able to have it auto-populate that information. Well, if you guys have Manus and you can get a free account with Manus, it does come with limited amount of AI credits, but you get new ones every day or week or something like that. It will probably give you enough to do what you want to do, but you can put in an objective in here. So you might say something like, give me a list of things happening in the Springfield, Missouri area this weekend. Okay. And what it does is instead of using the AI objective to build it, it will use the Manus objective, and it will go through and do the research using Manus. It goes out, does the deep research on the internet to find events and things. In this case, the events of things, what's happening. Maybe you have it say, check with Zillow and find any new listings in this area that I can, publish or something. You can do different types of things like that. I wouldn't necessarily want you to do that if you've got your own listings to do, but it's something that you could do where it could go out to Zillow, grab information, and build out content. And whenever it builds it, then it puts that information then into your template. So like that one that I was just showing, where I outdoor events. This here was what it brought back with the deep research. So all the things for last weekend. So, I mean, it does some really, you can limit it. You can come in here and edit it afterwards. If there's certain things you don't want in there, you could tell it, hey, ignore this or ignore that, and it would not put it in. But, this is the type of stuff that it can bring out just from deep research.